Hello, this is Ryan from Bolster, and in this short video, I'll be demonstrating to you how to add your company logo and a background image on your quotes. So from your estimation page here in the top left-hand corner, you want to click on the Preview tab. By doing that, that will take you to the preview of the quote that your client will see. From here, we want to hit on the Edit toggle button in the top left-hand corner. Click that, and that will open up Tools here in the bottom. We have our tab here, background image and company logo. You can either cut and paste and drag and drop these images from a dual screen if you're so inclined, or upload them here from your computer. By adding a background image such as this and your company logo such as this, it sure will make your quotes pop and set you apart from your competitors. After this is changed, and we can change these background images job to job or create templates for them. If any of them has been changed, a save button here will pop up in the bottom left-hand corner here to save these changes, and then after hit the edit button to get back to the estimation page and the quotation page. Thank you very much.